Borrowell tutorial. Get your credit score for free. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to use Borrowell. So make sure that you watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Borrowell website right here on the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, what is a Borrowell? So Borrowell is an online platform that lets you see or manage your credit score per week or per day. So as you can see, when you go to their website, you can scroll down and you can see how does Barwell work. So as you can see, they have free weekly credit monitoring and that you can sign up in just 3 minutes for free access to your Equitax credit score and report, which we update every single week. And also they have AI powered credit coach that helps you understand what your credit score means and yeah, etc. etc. So as you can see, there's a lot of platforms right in the browser that lets you manage your credit score, but this Barwell is only applicable on Canada. So if you're in Canada and if you live in Canada and if you want to check your credit score online, this is the best way to do it by going on Barwell. So as you can see, you can also check the history of Borrowell, their awards and recognition, and also their trusted partners. So right here, you can see all of that on About page on their website. So if you want, you can just sign up for free. Just click sign up on this top right corner for free. And of course, you need to provide your email address and also a password. That's the first thing that you need to provide. Then, after you provide all of these things, that you can create an account. And after you create an account, they will require you to add your another information, important information, such as your address, your country, your city, street number, postal code, everything in your information because they will use that to check or to find your profile on the official credit score bureau company that you applied, so they will choose that. So make sure that you input the accurate information about you or else you will having this trouble. So as you can see, we're having trouble finding your credit score because we couldn't match the information you provided with a profile in Equifax Canada records. So make sure that the information that you input in your Equifax Canada records match the information you provided when creating a Barrel account. So as you can see, it's having a problem finding my credit score because I didn't input accurate information in my, when I'm creating an account because I'm not from Canada. So I just input some random, information when I create my account. So if you create the right account, automatically they will find your information in Equifax Canada records, and yeah, of course, they will show your credit score right there. So what you can do if you, for example, you input the accurate information and still they having a trouble finding your credit score, you can do either three of this. So check your Barwell user profile, you can contact Equifax Canada, or you can contact the Barwell itself. So yeah, that's it. So they provided their number for that, so you don't have a problem finding their number, and yeah, that's it. If you did all of these things, maybe you will solve your problem and your credit score will appear right here. So for another informations, what about the credit? What is a credit score and why does it matter? So you can just click with more, so you will have a neat understanding about the credit score. So a credit score is a three-digit number that banks, credit card companies, and other financial institutions to evaluate your credit worthiness or how likely you are to pay back your debts. And this includes your personal loans, lines of credit, mortgage, car loans, and credit cards. So, yeah, your score is calculated through careful analysis of information in your credit report by credit bureaus. So, two main credit bureaus, as I said earlier, in Canada is Equifax and TransUnion. So, they use Equifax mainly for, basing your credit report. And yeah, your credit score is affected by your historical use of credit, how much you have, how long it takes you to pay back, and what types you have and how long you had it. So as you can see, they have a visual representation about how the factors that affects your credit score. So 10% credit inquiries, 10% credit mix, 15% credit history, 30% credits utilization. I will discuss that later. And of course, your payment history. So, what is a payment history? So, it's just a history of your payments to trusted lenders, and it shows if you paid your bills on time. And it's very important part of your credit score. So, I recommend you to check your payment history so that you know what will be the changes that needed to be to to happen in order to increase your credit score. So next one is credit utilization. So what is credit utilization? So based on the word utilize, this is the percentage of the amount of credits you're using from your total credits in your account. So if you are using, for example, if you have a total credit amount of $100,000 and you spend $10,000, so that means that your credit utilization is 10%. So in Borrowell, they recommend you to keep your credit score as low as 30% below. So if you want to see your credit score to improve, make sure that you keep your credit utilization below 30%. So they also have credit history, credit mix, credit inquiries, but these factors does not affect your credit score as much as your credit utilization and payment history. So you don't need to care much about this. So what is a good credit score? So credit score typically range from 300 to 900 depending on this scoring model. So the higher your score is, the easier it may for you to assess these financial products and services provided by your trusted lenders. So why does my credit score matter? Your credit score is the measure of trust. So that is basically the definition of your credit score. The higher your score, the more trust lenders and institution will have in your ability to pay them back. So a good credit score can help you improve your financial well-being, and it helps you getting a mortgage, getting a car loan, or getting a renovation of your house provided by different institution that trusted your credit score. So that's the importance of your credit score. So what can I do to help improve my credit score? So yeah, as I said earlier, Borrowell recommend you to keep your credit utilization under 30%. So that is the most important way to improve your credit score. So yeah, and you can read all of these things, all of this way to improve your credit score on their page if you log into an account. And of course, Borrowell has a bunch of trusted institutions, so you can explore all the offers provided by their trusted companies. So as you can see, I can get a loan or car loans, for example. So yeah, the business loans is not available currently, but the car loans, they already have different trusted institution that you can visit, and yeah, you can get a car loan right here, and they will base you're getting a car loan in this for example this website, and they will be basing your credit score to know if you are worthy to get a car loan from them. So yeah, that's it. So you can also visit your mortgage. For example, if you want a mortgage, you can also click this one, and right there they also have this trusted companies and website. You can check them out. And also insurance, you can also do that, but I think only insurance that you can get is life insurance. They don't have car insurance and home insurance. Yeah, they only have life insurance. So this is policy me, and that's it. That's all the offers that you can get in Barwell. And yeah, as I said earlier, this is only on Canada, and you need to be in Canada to use this platform, Barwell. But if you're not from Canada, there's a lot of online platforms in the web that you can use to check your credit score based on where you're living. And that's it. That's how you use Borrowell. So please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.